Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by powering the neckband and ensuring it has enough charge to avoid interruptions. Once the LED or voice prompt indicates power, open your phone's Bluetooth and make the band discoverable. You should enable microphone and notification permissions in the companion app so the assistant can hear and speak. Once done, pair the device from Bluetooth settings, confirm any PIN, and make sure the neckband shows as connected and media audio enabled before moving to voice activation. You now train how to invoke the assistant. Try the dedicated button, long press sequences, and any wake word if supported. Once you know the trigger, set the default assistant in your phone settings so the neckband routes requests correctly. Make sure the companion app mirrors that choice and tweak microphone sensitivity and noise reduction settings to improve recognition in noisy environments. You should test by asking simple things like time or weather, and listen for quick confirmation beeps or spoken feedback. You can now use concise commands, call, navigate, set timers, or control music and follow up naturally because assistants keep context briefly. Make routines in the Assistant app to chain actions with one phrase. If responses are slow or missing, reboot the neckband, toggle Bluetooth, and repair to refresh the connection. Also check microphone and assistant permissions and update firmware in the companion app. If problems persist, reset network settings on your phone, then reconfigure the neckband from scratch.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.